Hello friends, today we are going to formulate white color Harpic. Already we have posted red Harpic. It is for bathroom cleaner. White Harpic is a toilet bowl cleaner. In white Harpic, they have used sodium hypochlorite. It is a very powerful disinfectant and also a bleaching agent. So it keeps our toilet free from germs and also with shining look, white color appearance. Let us get into the making process. Today our batch size will be 1 liter. I have taken all the materials ready except one material, that is sodium hypochlorite. I will take this material only at the time of usage because it is not advisable to keep it open for even 5 minutes. It will make some eye irritations, throat discomfort and also sometimes possibility for vomiting, etc. I have taken 2 liters plastic beaker. This is heavy material. First I am charging RO water. I have given the measurements completely in PDF formula. Then I am charging lye solution. After that we need to charge SLES. After charging the SLES, I am blending properly. This is lauryl amine oxide. Now we will recall the role of all the materials we have added. Lye solution is to maintain the pH in between 8 to 9. This is the desirable pH for white Harpic. And SLES lauryl amine oxide, both are surfactants. We are using it as cleaning material to achieve perfect cleaning. At this stage, after adding the surfactants, the consistency is very thin. Next, I am charging perfume. In this formula, we can include perfumes, but it is advisable to ensure the compatibility of perfume. And one more thing, we should add less amount of perfume, either 2 ml or maximum 4 ml. Now it is time to add sodium hypochlorite. We need to handle the material with extreme care. Now we will discuss one important point. Here in this formulation, the quality and concentration of the sodium hypochlorite is very important. Otherwise, we will not get the proper consistency equal to that of white Harpic. In case of sodium hypochlorite, many concentrations are available, 5%, 10%, 15% and also in some other concentrations. And many qualities, I mean first quality, second quality, third quality, anything is available. But all the sodium hypochlorites look like yellow color solution. Now I have used 10% concentration of sodium hypochlorite. Those who want to do this formulation for business purpose, they have to ensure the concentration each and every time. They should not believe the vendor's opinion. They have to do the classical analysis, I mean titration with starch indicator and thiosulfate solution. After adding the sodium thiosulfate only, we will get the thickness, we will get the consistency. So the quality and concentration of sodium hypochlorite is very important. Now I can feel it, and I am adding the sodium hypochlorite. The thickness is gradually increasing, and finally I am getting the good thickness. Finally we need to add preservatives. In this formula we are going to use 2 preservatives. One is sodium benzoate and another one is potassium sorbate. Why 2 preservatives? The reason is sodium benzoate is a very good preservative for up to pH of 5.5 even 6. Potassium sorbate is a very good preservative within the pH range of 6 to 9. Now the process is over. Let us allow to settle for 24 hours. Now 24 hours over. We'll check its quality and consistency. It looks clear, transparent and homogeneous. Of course, it is not colorless or a white color because I have used perfume with brown color, so it has developed some color in this medium. Now we'll check the consistency of our toilet bowl cleaner. I will transfer into a glass beaker. So this is the consistency. We will compare our toilet bowl cleaner with reference standard white Harpic. In white Harpic, in their label, they have mentioned all the ingredients what they have used. We also used the same ingredients. This is the consistency of white Harpic. This is our consistency. More or less, both the toilet cleaners are same quality, same consistency. Now we will check the pH. This is the pH of white Harpic. It is in between 8 to 9. This is the pH of our toilet bowl cleaner equivalent to that of white Harpic. It is also having the same pH range.